Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad 2. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant and voice match. Enable Hey Google. Tap more, agree, next. And now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Tap next. And now let's try it out again. Hey Google. Okay Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Enable assistant responses on lock screen, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Okay Google. Hey Google. Let's try again. Hey Google. What's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be sunny, with a high of 33 and a low of 18.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.